how do batteries work? Great question. So if we think about our battery, it's kind of like a big jar of chemicals. And when we look inside, we're going to have three main components, all filled with different types of chemicals. We're going to have two things called electrodes, so our cathode and our anode. And inside is electrolyte. It's kind of like this part that's just swimming around our two big metal pieces in red and blue. And when these all start to interact, specifically when you put the battery into your remote, or you put a battery into your flashlight to get that light bulb to turn on, this electrolyte just starts buzzing with activity. And all of these chemicals that are swimming around start interacting with both of our electrodes. And this is going to send out a specific type of particle we call electrons that are negatively charged. And it's going to send those around our circuit and back into our cathode. And when we have something in our circuit, such as a light bulb, maybe in your flashlight, it might send that electric current all the way up into your light bulb, turning it on.
Are you ready?
So if we think about our circuit, we're going to have two main parts. Going back to that flashlight example, we might have our light bulb that's not on yet because we don't have our battery. But as soon as we place a battery into our flashlight, that circuit can begin. Our electrolyte mixes with our cathode and our anode, and electrons start flowing. We have that charged up battery sending that electric current, and before you know it, your light bulb turns on.